Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just creating small thumbnails, and they are actually going to pay you a very good amount for the creators who create thumbnail. And it's absolutely guys free, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to be sell. Okay, not even a single penny you need to spend. Okay, absolutely free of cost, and just some tips and techniques will lead you to big results. Okay, so as of now you know that what are thumbnails, guys. On the YouTube you can see that you can see the template over the picture is our thumbnails. Okay, these are the pictures that are created over our videos are thumbnails. Okay, so how can we create it? By just for those, and you know that guys, there are millions and millions of videos on YouTube. So how can we do it? I just show you guys how much people are earning by just creating thumbnails. Okay, I just thumbnail. Okay, and you can see guys how much people are actually earning. See guys, 1k plus orders he had done to others. Okay, I designed 3 YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours guys. It's absolutely free of cost, and it is taking $10 for this. Okay, $10 for this, and I just show you how you can also earn by just creating simple thumbnails guys. You can see guys, people are actually earning good amount of money by just giving $10. Okay guys, I just show you the consensus. Okay, how much he has earned. Okay, I just click on the online calculator, and what is 1000 guys, 1000 products he has sent for just $10 guys. $10,000 by just creating thumbnails. And you know this thing guys, that people review are actually less then actually they are consuming the products. You all know that reviews rare, people are spending the reviews. You can see guys how he is actually earning. Okay, how you can also earn the standard package. Okay, the premium package that you can set up, and you just earn a good amount of money from this website guys, absolutely free of cost. I just tell you step by step. So for you guys, I just came up with this website pickmaker.com, where you just need to drag and drop some pictures and text, and you are getting whatever the designing perspective of our owner. Okay, whomever, you just need to create a website over this website. Okay, on fiverr.com or people per hour. I'll just show you. So what you need to do guys, you just create a profile. Okay, a gig on this Fiverr, and for that you just need to upload some thumbnails. Okay, so based upon how you I just show you how you can create your own registration purpose. Okay, just click on this create your for free, and you can see guys, here it is your page. You can sign up with Facebook and Google. I just prefer you to type all your details. Okay, I just type in. So type your password and just click I agree all the terms and condition, and just click on sign up. Okay, and you are good to go guys. So you can see guys, based upon the thumbnails you can create, you can see the guys, you can see the tutorials for this. I just show you how you can do it, so don't worry. Okay, so you can customize your size. IGTV thumbnails means your Instagram thumbnails. Okay guys, you can also create it. YouTube thumbnails and banners also you can create. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, just come up in this YouTube thumbnail and just click on this YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and guys, if this type of thing is coming in your website, don't worry, just click on this lock button. You can see, guys, at the right side. Okay, at the left side you can see this button, and just click on the site settings, and in the flash you just need to allow it. Okay, you just need to allow it and just come up in your website and just reload it. Okay, and you can see, guys, your site is actually ready. Okay, ready to make thumbnails, good thumbnails. Okay, it is actually loading, guys, and you can see, guys, it is giving you another tutorial. You can watch it if you want. Okay, and I just show you how you can do it, guys. Okay, so basic categories, it contains all of the categories. Okay, you can see, guys, there are ample of categories, whether it is fashion, business, food, health and fitness, miscellaneous, and you can also customize your own things. I just show you, I just take one example, guys. Okay, I just take this template. Okay, you can take ample of templates there are. Okay, just click on the properties and you can select some stickers. Okay, you can do some. Okay, I just click on this coffee. Okay, just click and drag some things, and it's very easy for you, guys. Okay, you can enjoy these type of things, how you can do it. Okay, you can resize it, and it depends upon you, guys, how you can manage it. Okay, I just show you how easy it is. Okay, so you can drag, drop it, and you can do the editing part as well. Okay, you can take this element and you can change the text as well, guys. Okay, if you want to change the text, you can also do it. Okay, if I want to add some text, if I want to remove some text, so you can add your own text as well, guys. You just click on this thing and you can type your own text. Okay, just click on this thing and you can change the color, you can change the fonts. Okay, and you can perform the rest of the things. I'm not good in such designing, guys, but I know that you can do it as well. Okay, there are lots and lots of shapes. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of shapes as well. Okay, you can create it your thumbnail. Okay, others thumbnails as well. Select the background color. Okay, and add some text. You can see, guys, there are ample of fonts and ample of things that you can do it. Just drag it and you can hover over it, and you can see, guys, it's very easy for you. Okay, so just you just need to click on the download button and it eventually download your thumbnail. Okay, I just want you to have a set of, guys, 5 to 6 thumbnails within you. You do not need to create it, you just need to download those templates, and I just want you to add on this gig. Okay, whenever you are making your portfolio, just click and drag and your portfolio is ready. Okay, guys, so you can see, guys, it takes some time. Okay, it takes some time to download it. Okay, and it is absolutely ready. You just need to come up in this pre-built, and you just need to, what you need to do, guys, just click on this thing. Okay, and just simply download it. Okay, and there are lots of templates, so that you the user will get an idea that you are better in making a thumbnails. You can set up your own prices. As of now, guys, I have taken this who has created. You can see, guys, he has created lots and lots of thumbnails. You can see, guys. Okay, you can create your own portfolio, guys. The bigger your portfolio is, the better your thumbnails are. Okay, and it's absolutely free. Just drag and drop things. Okay, PicMaker will make everything easy for you. Okay, make everything predefined. And so, guys, people per hour will also give you the same type of things. Okay, I just create thumbnail. Okay, I just write down the thumbnails, and people per hour will actually give you a best results, guys. And you know, guys, the traffic in this website is actually less than the Fiverr.com. So I just want you to just create your own portfolio and just sell your products very well in this. And you can see, guys, there is huge potential in this people per hour. You can see they are actually giving best income to their freelancers, okay, in terms of euros, guys. Okay, so I just want you to just create it and just have some different kinds of templates download all of these, okay, so that your portfolio is bigger and it actually makes sense while you are creating a banner as per the specifications that other people are giving. Okay, so it's good, guys, and your monthly income will be generated, and it's a part-time job that you can do very well. Okay, I just want you to just click on the subscribe button and like my video, guys, so that I can create every single day. I just want you to give you the best content, how you can earn money online, the tips and tricks, the softwares which will help you to earn money very well. Because, guys, in Fiverr.com you can see there are huge kind of people, but the quality content that software this will give you is best. Okay, you do not need to do anything. You just need to type and just drag and drop some icons and all. Okay, you do not have to create own things. Like you can see, guys, it is eventually is having charts and alls. Okay, so that you do not have to search on different types of things. So I'll make your work very easy. You just need to half an hour you just need to be compatible with this site. Okay, just this software, and just click on this download button and you are good to go. Okay, create hundreds and hundreds of templates, create different types of images. Okay, so no software specification is required, guys. Actually, guys, Photoshop is the one software which is actually for professionals. So this site is gave you a better results. You do not need to buy Photoshop. Okay, you just create your own templates and you are good to go. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, just like and subscribe to my channel so that you get the notifications of my upcoming video early. Thank you so much.